What's up, everyone? Fenry Kale here. I know a lot of you are uneasy, some of you are stressed, and just about all of you are wondering what's really happening with Palantir's stock. It's been sliding throughout the day, and depending on when you checked, it looked pretty ugly. So let's get straight to the point. I'll break down exactly why this is happening right at the start, because your time matters, and because I want to clear the air before you click away. So don't rush to hit buy, don't panic sell, don't even tap a button yet. Just listen. What's playing out is actually a textbook stock market pattern, even if it feels unfamiliar. For the last 2 years, ever since 2023, we've been living in a market that's been almost too good to be true. Stocks running nonstop with barely any pauses. But what we're seeing now is the kind of correction that markets always come back to eventually. When it comes to Palantir specifically, there's nothing mysterious going on. After a huge run-up, investors are cashing out and locking in profits. On top of that, a short seller fired off a post on X claiming the company is worth far less than where it's trading. That added fuel to the fire, but notice this. Nothing fundamentally changed inside the business. No CEO resignations, no contracts lost, no bad financials. Just chatter and sentiment. Right now, it's simply two forces at work, profit-taking and negative noise. The short seller's argument boiled down to this. If OpenAI is worth $500 billion, Palantir should only trade near $40. People saw that as a reason to sell, and honestly, there's nothing wrong with taking profits. In fact, it can be the smart move at certain times. But here's a bit of perspective. Back in late 2016, Citron Research, the same group that went on CNBC and declared Nvidia was way overvalued. That was their take, and of course, they had every right to say it. But since that call, Nvidia stock has climbed nearly 100 times higher. Did it drop the week they said that? Maybe. Did it stumble for a month or two? Possibly. But over the long run, fundamentals crushed all the short-term noise. If you had simply ignored that warning and held Nvidia over the last 9 years, you'd be sitting on life-changing gains. And that's the reminder here. Every stock gets doubters, every stock gets labeled overvalued, but strong businesses prove themselves over time. Now, I'll be the first to admit, Palantir's current valuation is stretched. I've been saying for weeks that if you've built up big gains, it's smart to trim a little. Not because Palantir is weak, but because it's common sense. When a stock is priced sky high, and you're up a ton, it's just good risk management to lock in some profit and protect yourself. That doesn't mean abandoning your position, it means being strategic. And yes, I know some people got mad when I said that. You called it overvalued, but it kept climbing. Sure, that happens, but investing isn't about timing the exact peak. It's about principles. Securing gains when you're ahead is always better than watching profits evaporate in a downturn. Did I expect Palantir to be flirting with $200 in 2025? Honestly, no. I've always believed this stock has the potential to hit $500 someday, maybe even $1,000. But right now it's clearly ahead of itself.